Hey guys, so I am heading into the gym right now. I haven't worked out in about 2 weeks. I'm starting the Sweat app, the power program today. I'm gonna just jump right into the recommended order that they give you for the workouts. I did take progress photos today in a sports bra, which my titties barely fit into, and some little shorts. But I'm just gonna file those away for right now until, a couple weeks in, and until I, feel like myself again. But yeah, I will share those with you guys. Just finished up my workout. When I first started doing the workout, I was like, I'm not gonna get through this, because the first round was like push-ups and burpees, which was very difficult for me actually. But I feel good that I got through everything, and I actually ended up doing a little bit of cardio afterwards. So now I'm going to go to the grocery store and pick up some stuff so that I have healthy stuff at the house, so that I make good choices, and yeah.
Yeah, it's like a side hustle for people, because Trader Joe's aren't everywhere,
Oh, sorry, Gremlin. Hi, my little baby. Good girl. Okay. Good girl. I wanted to show you guys some of the treats I got from Trader Joe's. This tuna salad, I haven't tried it yet, but it didn't really have that many carbs. It says 1 gram of carb actually. These, which people have shown me about, oven baked cheese bites, and then some smoked salmon, and then I picked up this tzatziki sauce for dipping vegetables like celery or cucumbers, and then these seaweed snacks, but they didn't make it home. I ate them in the car. I was super hungry after my workout. And then I just got a bunch of the other basics like tomatoes, coffee, spinach, chicken, and all that good stuff. So first we cooked the chicken in the crock pot. And then, I don't know how this looks, but it smells and tastes amazing. It's Greek yogurt, Frank's Red Hot sauce, some spices, and blue cheese. And first we cooked it, the chicken in the crock pot, and then we added the sauce after. This is my post-workout snack, you guys. I have my leftover chicken with some butter lettuce, spinach, and I put a piece of bacon in there, and I'm also probably gonna have another cup of coffee. So I actually ended up adding some cottage cheese to the salad. I was gonna do dressing, but I added cottage cheese instead, and it's really, really good. So I am about to do some unboxing and probably just chill for the rest of the night. Nothing major. I have this pile of unboxing to do. It's not too bad, but it'll probably take me a few hours to get through. This is my water progress for today. I drank probably about half last night, so I got some more work to do, but I'm pretty sure I'll finish this tonight, and then that'll be a half a gallon today and yesterday. We are prepping dinner. We have 2 pieces of salmon here, and then we mixed up some sriracha mayo, spicy brown mustard, this everything but the bagel sesame seasoning from Trader Joe's, and some garlic salt. We're about to throw these in the oven. And then I also made this little appetizer snack, just some cucumbers. I put a little bit of tzatziki sauce on them, and then the everything but bagel seasoning, and it's pretty yummy. I I didn't even get to show you guys my plate because I was that hungry, but I'm almost done now. Just wrapped up legs and abs. That shit was killer, but I feel an improvement in my I can't even talk, I'm like wiped out. I feel like I've even gotten better just since Monday, but I am so sore. I don't know why I decided to do extra stuff Monday and Tuesday because I am like maxed out. I'm having the same post-workout meal that I had yesterday. Just spinach, butter lettuce, leftover chicken, tomatoes, and some cream cheese. And then I did get a Starbucks on the way home from the gym. And then also here I have my water goal for the day, which looks like it's probably a little bit more than half a gallon. And Gremlin wants to say hi. Hi. Oh my gosh, I look so scary right now. I don't know what's happening, but hi. It's about 5 p.m. I just wanted to check in with the vlog and say what's up. I've just been editing a makeup tutorial all day and actually just got really hungry and went downstairs and snacked on some tuna, and I made another cup of coffee. I really wanted to go get another Starbucks and some egg bites, but I'm glad I didn't and just ate at home because it's less probably chemicals and stuff. But yeah, tonight is gonna be mellow for me, just like basically every night. So hopefully I want to get this video uploaded, be able to upload something to Instagram for this, and then I'll probably stretch before I go to sleep because my body feels so like beat up and sore, but definitely in a good way. Hey guys, it's 8:22. I'm still here looking haggard. I finally just uploaded my IGTV video, cross-promoted, commented, posted, and I just feel so bad for poor little Gremlin. She's been so bored all day long. That's why I really think she needs a friend. I just finished my workout. I ended up only doing 35 minutes on the bike. I would have gone longer, except honestly my feet were feeling numb and tingly, which was annoying. And then I'm just having like period cramps right now, full disclosure. So I was like, 35 minutes is good enough. Apparently this little button, I don't even know what this is, was clogging my dishwasher. What's up guys? I'm headed to the gym right now. I just had a couple appointments at the house. It's about 2:30. Today is back and shoulders day on the Sweat app, and then tomorrow is another low intensity cardio day, and then I get Sunday off. Sunday is a rest day. I did weigh in this morning and the scale said 202.8. So I think when I started I was 205, so that's 3 pounds, but I am still on my period. It is not going away. It's like, what the fuck? By the way, this is from Gremlin. She bit me. We were playing and she was licking me and she bit my lip. I haven't eaten anything yet today. All I had was some coffee. Like when I woke up, I just didn't really feel like eating. My least favorite thing to do on the app are the burpees. Like I do the most pathetic looking burpees. Also, like it's embarrassing. Like I'm like, all right, I gotta go somewhere in a corner where no one can watch me. Cause it feels like I have a refrigerator on my back. To give you a visual, I'm jumping, but there's a refrigerator strapped to my back. That's what it looks like. But you know, I do it. I do them. I'm only gonna get better. You don't get better if you don't try. Okay, so I just looked at it. There are no burpees today. I am so wiped out. I didn't really sweat that much, but that was the most challenging workout that I've done this week. I realized like I don't have a lot of upper body strength, so this is good, you know, good. There were no burpees, that was good. But yeah, afterwards I did a little extra credit. I went downstairs and did a couple hip abductors, because like, you know, the booty, you gotta prioritize the booty, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna be so sore. I can like already feel it, but I'm excited that tomorrow's like cardio day, so I don't even trip off that. I'm like, that's nothing, that's just chilling. And then I'm excited to have Sunday off. So from Trader Joe's, I just got some more lettuce, spinach. I got some more of this tuna because it was really good. I picked up this artichoke and jalapeno dip. I've never tried it, but looks pretty tasty. Some more tomatoes, cucumbers, Greek yogurt, some Gouda cheese. I don't even know why I got this, to be honest, because I don't even know if I like Gouda cheese, but I got it. And then some prosciutto. Do you guys hear that? Do you need to go potty? You need to go potty? Update. This is bomb diggity. I'm just eating it with some celery, but I feel like it could go with anything. Yum. Okay, and then this is what I'm gonna eat for my post-workout meal. I just have a leftover piece of salmon, some spinach and butter lettuce and tomatoes, and I'm gonna add a little bit of this to the lettuce. What's up, guys? After I got home, I filmed a little IG video on this look, and then now I'm headed to girls' night. I'm gonna meet up with a bunch of friends in Hollywood. I'll probably have a couple drinks tonight, but nothing too crazy. I feel like a little like scratch in the back of my throat, which isn't good, so I don't want to be out too late. I want to just try and be like a civilized human being tonight. So yeah, that's the plan. Yeah, that's the plan. That definitely did not happen. Basically, from this point on, my weekend was totally fucked. I mean, don't get me wrong, I definitely had an amazing time. But as you guys know, alcohol is not part of the plan. I did, however, stick to my diet, avoided all of these delicious foods all the way until the end of Sunday night when I completely blew my diet. Update. I'm so fucked right now. Next week, we'll be stepping on the scale and finding out what happened after this weekend of partying. So make sure that you guys tune in.